Friday, September 22nd. And I'm back. I had a lovely time in Savannah. It's been a while since I'd been down there. The weather was just cool enough. It wasn't too sweltering at all. It was kind of lovely. It was great to be together with my other retail buddies from around the country, actually, from all over. Got lots of information, laughed a lot, learned a lot, head sort of spinning, some good ideas. Whether I get them implemented or not, who knows, but we'll try. Best intentions, right? Today I want to talk, first of all, I'm changed to the other part of the store, and I want you to look that this is all Malabrigo Machita, right? We love Machita. It is a single ply, fingering weight, tonals and multis. It's $25 a skein. There is 420 yards on each one, and it is delicious, delicious. So the reason I decided to be over here and talk about all the Machita that came in is because Chrissy is starting a Stephen West. You know Stephen West, he always loves a knit-along, and it's always just, let me get the glare off that. It's always just a little bit crazy, just a little bit crazy. So he is doing the Geogradient. So it's more geographic. I think it's supposed to be like the 70s sort of, I don't know, gradient, graphic. There's 4 colors. There's 4 colors. Before I give you that, the knit-along starts on October 6th. That's the first day that the clue is dropped, and that's a Friday. Chrissy's going to host a knit-along here at the store on October 6th, the 13th, the 20th, and the 27th. Those are all consecutive Fridays from 2 o'clock to 3:30. So fun. And so you will only do the first clue, and then you'll have a week to do that clue, and then you'll get the second clue, and it'll all be a surprise and a mystery. And if you have ever done Stephen West, or you know Stephen West, it's probably going to be huge and probably interesting construction, interesting stitches, and it will be, if nothing less, fun and fantastic, and you'll be so proud of yourself when you're done. So Chrissy put some gradient groups together. These are just suggestions. Please come in. We have a lot. This is the Malabrigo Machita. This is Cascade Heritage, and there's more around the store. But Chrissy put together a whole Machita suggestion for this Geogradient, meaning the colors should be sort of different in depth, right? Some dark, mediums, multis, and a light. So this is quite beautiful. Love that. This is a new kind of dark green. It's called Fiona. This is Indicita. This is Pascal, and this is something else, some sort of gray. It's green. So this is beautiful. So if that trips your trigger, $25 a skein, it's gorgeous. She then also put together a Madeline Tosh, 2 La Joyas, and a Heritage. If you're a pinky purpley person, this is amazing. So dark tonals. This one's a little bit of a multi. This is a little bit of a multi with the pink, and you bring in the pink at the end. Gorgeous. Prices are the Heritage is $13, the La Jolla is $36, and the Madeline Tosh is $39.95. So 2 at $36, 1 at $39.95, and 1 at $13. And last but not least, she put together this blue one, which is also gorgeous, and it looks like this, right? So we have navy blue, $13 from Heritage. We have polka dot sheep. I love this. This is it's called Slate, but it's a tonal dark denim, like a real dark blue jean. It's really gorgeous. And that, price, that is $34.95. And then we have La Jolla, which I just told you is $36. Gorgeous, love that. Her little pops of color in there. Let me hold all these together. And last but not least, a Heritage on the other end to tie it all together, again, $13. So we can mix and match. We can do whatever you want. We can create magic around here, magic. Chrissy can. Anyway, all right. Don't miss that. The Mystery Knit Along 2023 West Knits, Stephen West, Geogradient. It's going to be fun. Be sure and sign up. Be sure and come in and get your yarn. And you'll be ready. Be awesome. All right. That's enough. I will see you tomorrow.